We don't have our hard hats on, but we are doing a little bit of RC construction today. I've got my labourer down there just doing a bit of landscaping, and then we'll get the RC vehicles to do all the heavy lifting. We have the front end loader, the dump truck, and the RC excavator. The front end loader and the dump truck are 1/18 scale, and the excavator is 1/14 scale. These come ready to go with batteries and chargers. All you need is a couple of AA batteries in the remote control and you're ready to go. So guys, that's the RC construction vehicle range. Check them out. They're a heap of fun, and until next time, see you later.